The title isn't clickbait. These headphones feel like something premium with excellent sound quality while costing only $30. Not only that, they feature noise cancellation, more than 50 hours of battery life, and they are the Bluetooth headphones with the lowest lag I've tested, perfect for gaming. These are the Haylou S30 Pro. Lately, I've tried many different headphone brands, and it's clear to me that Haylou is the best I've tried so far. They offer the most for the least. So if you're interested in getting your new headphones, these might interest you. Join me in the video and I'll tell you everything you need to know. We start quickly with the unboxing. This is the box where you'll receive your Haylou. Inside, we'll find a manual, a flexible microphone, an auxiliary cable in case you want to use them wired, and the USB cable for charging. Here are the headphones. At first impression, they definitely feel like mid-range quality. They're not premium materials, but they don't feel cheap either. The ear cushions are nice and soft, and the headband also has very good padding. The overall finish is plastic, but like I said, it doesn't feel low quality, and the size of the headphones is very adaptable. The cushions are large enough that even if you have big ears, they'll fit comfortably. And a very strong point of these headphones, which I honestly don't know how they achieve, is the comfort. They feel relatively lightweight and at the same time very secure. And I don't mean tight in an uncomfortable way, quite the opposite. They feel light but solid, and even if you use them for long periods, you don't get tired. For comfort, I give them a 9 out of 10. The left ear cup is completely clean with no buttons. All the buttons and connections are on the right side, starting with the noise cancellation button. With this, you can turn noise cancellation on or off and also activate pass-through mode so you can hear the outside and stay aware. Regarding noise cancellation, it's not the best I've tried, but it's quite decent and works very well. I give it a 7 out of 10. The next button we have is the volume button, but it's a single button. With one click, you raise the volume one level, and if you hold it down, it will start lowering the volume until you release the button. The next button is to turn the headphones on and off, but with one click, you can pause or play content, 2 clicks, skip the song forward, and 3 clicks, go back to the previous track. Next, we'll find the auxiliary cable input. Besides using these headphones via Bluetooth, you can also connect them wired to a device that has a jack output. For example, here on my tablet, I connected them wired and they work perfectly. We also have the USB-C port to charge them and the jack input for the microphone. The strange thing is that the headphones already have a built-in microphone even if you don't connect this one. Connecting the external microphone only gives a slight improvement in volume. Here's the test.
This is a sound test of the microphone on the Haylou S30. And as you can see, I don't have connected the external microphone. Now I will connect. The external microphone is connected now. And as you can see, the volume goes up. Tell me, what do you think about this microphone? With external microphone? And this is without external microphone.
And the last thing you need to know about the controls is that if you tap the right side of the headphone, you can answer and end calls when it's connected to your phone, or temporarily activate transparency mode. For example, if someone is talking to you, press and hold on your right ear, the music lowers a bit, and you start hearing the outside world. The headphones have their own app. It's not really necessary unless you're going to use one of the following functions. The first one is the equalizer. There are only about 6 different EQ modes, and you can't create a custom one. You can visually choose the noise cancellation profile, although it's not necessary since you can also switch between these modes using the button. One option that is definitely very important, especially if you're a gamer, is turning game mode on or off. You already know that when you use Bluetooth headphones, there's a small delay between what the device plays and what the headphones output. In videos and music, you obviously don't notice it, but when you're playing video games, you definitely do. The thing is that if they are competitive or very fast-paced games, the lag can even become a bit annoying. But with these headphones, you won't have that problem. And I'm not exaggerating. These are the first Bluetooth headphones I've tried that reduce the lag to the point where it's no longer noticeable. It doesn't matter if you're playing a super competitive shooter, everything feels instant. 10 out of 10. They're even the first headphones I can use on my PC to edit videos. And honestly, that really surprised me. And, well, here are the tests. so you can understand what I mean. Going back to the app, the other option you have is multi-device connection, which means you can have the headphones connected to a computer and a phone at the same time, or to two phones. When you press play on content from your PC, the phone automatically pauses and you start hearing the PC audio, or vice versa. And the last option is to enable or disable EDAC, a feature dedicated only to true audio files. But for most regular people like you and me, the truth is that this option doesn't really make any difference. And now, speaking about the audio quality of these headphones, let me tell you they feature a 40mm driver, which is a fairly large driver. It's not the biggest on the market, but this one in particular is very well optimized, so the representation of low, mid and high frequencies is very good. You can distinguish practically all the details of that movie you're watching or every instrument in the song you're listening to. It's truly a very complete sound with a lot of clarity. For watching movies, they're excellent, since they naturally have stereo sound and can give you a very immersive movie experience. For music, they're very enjoyable, and if you like blasting the volume, they can get really loud. The bass in songs sounds great too, solid, clear, you can detect it perfectly, and it doesn't sound boxy at all. Do they feel awesome? If you're going to use them for video games, considering they have a game mode with no lag, they're a gem. Plus, you can position yourself perfectly in your 3D space. With these headphones, they work wonderfully. They also have a 650 mAh battery that will last about 50 hours with active noise cancellation. If you turn the noise cancellation off and keep a medium volume, you might even get up to 80 hours, which in normal terms could easily be the whole week. And you can charge them in about 2 hours, so they're honestly a gem. The best part, without a doubt, is the price, around $30. For that price, I doubt you can find anything better than these headphones. They even compete directly with other headphones that cost close to $50, and the quality is practically the same. These are even better in some aspects. So now you know, if you want truly good quality headphones without spending a lot of money, trust me, this is the option. And well friends, I'll leave it here. If you liked it, leave your like. If not dislike, see you in the next one. Over and out.